Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Guys, this is the new BMW motorcycle that's like kind of half of a car. Sorry that it's way up in the air, but I wanted to show it to you guys. It's like a motorcycle, but it has a windshield. It's got windshield wipers. It's got like a roof with a roll bar on it, so you don't get wet when you're riding it. And it definitely is a BMW. The color is really nice, red and black. It has disc brakes. So if you guys want to ride a motorcycle but you don't want to get wet, this would be the one I would recommend. The new BMW motorcycle with the windshield and windshield wiper. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe.